Hi, I'm Maria Lebron, and I'm here to answer the question, why should you choose me to be your realtor? I work both the residential and commercial real estate sectors. I'm here to guide you through every step of the process. At the heart of my business is a client-first philosophy. I believe in building strong relationships based on trust and open communication, making sure that your needs come first. With years of experience in real estate, I've developed a hands-on approach. What sets me apart from other realtors is that I have pursued specialized trainings. I currently hold designations such as the Accredited Buyer's Representative, Certified International Property Specialist, and Commercial Advisor. I also serve on the Osceola and Florida Realtors Board of Directors, where I stay ahead of industry trends and advocates for policies that benefit you. So why choose me as your realtor? Because when you work with me, you're not just another client. You're my priority. Let's take this journey together and make your real estate dreams come true. The Avanti way.